guys, so this is a different video. This is my vlog of visiting all the filming locations of Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes in Berlin. So I'm gonna walk you through what we did that day. So we were staying near the Alexanderplatz, which is pretty central. So we walked there to the train station first thing. We got the 24-hour ticket, which is the best option because the locations are scattered throughout Berlin, so you really need to go by train or metro or something. And the first location that we decided to visit was the stadium, the Olympic Stadium. So we left at the Olympia Stadium station. And yeah, this is where they filmed outside of the arena. This was the first thing that we saw, so I was so excited and so happy. This place is huge. After that, we went to the Olympian Park, which they have another building, this building right here, where they filmed inside as well as some bits outside that you will see in a second. We couldn't get inside because they were doing some gymnastics, but after looking around, we found what I was most looking forward to, which was this place. They still have the carvings, the things on the windows and the doors, the Academy logo, so I was so excited to just find this. This is pretty hidden, so if you want any details, just ask in the comments. This is the inside of that building. It's where they filmed them like seeing the games. And after that, we moved on to our next location. We walked a lot and we had lunch, and the next thing we decided to check out was where they filmed the classroom. So this is inside the university campus. It's the building where they have veterinary classes. Again, pretty hidden, so if you want any more details, just ask in the comments and I will gladly give it to you. And this was really exciting. It's the place that I was most looking forward to see in person. This place is totally free to go inside. Just be aware of the schedule because they have classes in here and it's only open to the public from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. if I'm not mistaken. And the next locations are all situated in the museum island. So the first thing that we checked out was the outside of Gall's lab. And of course, I had to recreate that scene. Right next to that museum, it's another museum, the one that they used for the outside of the academy. So you will recognize this building and this like plaza, I guess. And behind that, it's this place. I don't know how to exactly call it, but it's where they filmed choreo going to the academy in the first day, like it's the first scene in the movie, one of the first scenes in the movie, and again I just had to recreate that. And the last place that we had to check out, we decided to leave for the next day. So next day again we left the hotel, and this was actually pretty close to our hotel, so we just had to walk a little bit, and you will recognize these buildings. It's like the main area where they have the fountain and the statue. Unfortunately, they had construction all around this place, but yeah, it was totally worth it seeing those buildings. They are so iconic, and that roundabout is so iconic. And this is the end of our tour. Hope you liked the video, and if you have any questions about the locations, just ask in the comments. Bye!